Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I do the another benchmark test on the POCO X3 Pro device, which is a Snapdragon 860 processor. This is my day one of using the POCO X3 Pro device. Friends, I did not install any applications, so this is out of the box. I just installed only another benchmark test and the Antutu 3D Bench. Even I did not even sign into the Google Play Store, as you can see. Let's see out of the box how much another benchmark score you can actually expect in the Snapdragon 860 processor. That is what I'm going to test in this video. And this is a 8GB RAM variant. Let me do to clear everything from the background. So everything is completely clean, and you can see 8GB RAM variant, and out of 8GB, 5.4GB is right now available, as you can see, friends. Exactly. Let me do open the another benchmark application as well. So this is a complete application which got pre-installed in the phone. Let me do to open another benchmark application. This is without using any kind of game turbo or anything, just only basic another benchmark application which I'm going to test. And during this time, I'll try to turn off the Wi-Fi, and I'll try to keep the brightness around 50%. That is what my usual testing will be every time. So I'll try to check the temperatures right now. This is my first time doing the another benchmark test on the POCO X3 Pro. I'm really excited, and this is my first phone with the Snapdragon 860 as well. And couple of months back I did use, but not for the long time usage. So even this is going to be very short time as well. Right now the battery percentage is 41. Let me to give the permission and start. Right now we should be able to start it. As you can see, right now the test is going to begin, and right now the battery percentage is 41%. And temperatures, I'm really worried about the temperatures. So as I said, this is my first time using the POCO X3 Pro after a long time. So before it used to, I think the temperature used to increase maybe close to 40 degrees back then, maybe 2 or 3 months back, when I got only for 1 or 2 days to test. But now let's see, friends. So this is going to be really very interesting in the POCO X3 Pro. So how much another benchmark score we can actually expect. I'll try to do the speed test comparison as well, testing the speed test POCO X3 Pro versus other smartphones. So meanwhile, stay tuned by subscribing. So in case if you have any other queries, you can definitely comment under the video. So that will be really helpful for me. So right now the test is going on. So I'm really interested to see the temperatures. So temperature is my main focus on this POCO X3 Pro device. So right now, as you can see, friends, we did reach exactly close to 52% of the another benchmark test, and the temperature is not bad. So my room temperature is pretty normal. It's 29 degrees only, my room temperature. And the another benchmark test, the temperatures are not bad. It's kind of below 35 only, kind of close to 35. That's kind of good. But let's see the final result, how much it can be there after some time. That is what my worry is. Let's see how much will be the highest. So there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room. It's perfectly normal temperature, 29 only, my room and surrounding temperature. So again, I'll be back after some time. So right now we will be able to see how much the temperature is. So it's of 34 degrees only, friends. So not much heat. So that's kind of first impression. So this is my first impression about this phone. The temperature during the another benchmark test, normally it will definitely go above close to 40 degrees kind of thing, 39, 40 and 38 degrees. But this phone was remaining around 35 degrees only. So that's the one thing I need to check. So I'll keep you posted, friends, how is the POCO X3 Pro is doing with the temperatures and the battery as well. I need to test with the BGMI 90 FPS, PUBG 90 FPS, and a lot of other games, Call of Duty 120 FPS. So Genshin Impact with the high graphics, and so many comparisons and so many games which I need to do testing on this phone. So that will be my real focus on this phone. So for the next few days. So make sure to stay tuned for this more updates on this phone. So I was expecting the scores to be kind of close to maybe 5,50,000, somewhere around that I'm expecting. So I'll try to take the screenshot on the day one of another benchmark scores. So how is my scores on the first day, and after the MIUI 12.5, how is the scores? In this way I'll be able to compare. So before and after, is the scores increased or not, CPU throttling. And I need to do the CPU throttling test and even the 3D benchmark test, and so many benchmarks I need to do before actually upgrading to MIUI 12.5. So that is what I need to test on this phone. Right now we got the results, friends. As you can see, 5,73,000 of the another benchmark score which got in the POCO X3 Pro, as you can see, and that's fantastic. And the CPU, you can see CPU is of 1,53,000, sorry, and 2,07,000 in the GPU. So 1,53,000 and 2,07,000 in the GPU, and the memory you can see, and everything, all the details. So total, these are the scores on the day one itself. I'll try to take the screenshot, and I'll try to keep in the gallery as well. So this is a day one of screenshot, and thank you for watching this video, friends. I'll be back with another video as well very soon on doing plenty of other throttling tests on this phone as well, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.